Welcome. We will show you how to use Possian Fast and Barcode Sales. The Fast Sale is suitable for who selling non-barcode retail products like bakery or self-serve coffee shops. Barcode Sale is same as the Fast Sale, but you can use barcodes. We will start by registering. Please remember the company code because you and your users will use this company code for each login. Once you are registered, we can create our first store. Choose the type of store. You can define your type of store if your store type is not in the list. You can select Fast Sale or Barcode, we will show both of them. Cash and credit card payment types are enabled by default. You can enable which payment types you want, or you can create your own. The system will add sample sections, tables, menu and products for you. We will design our menu. We will use a coffee shop menu to demonstrate fast sales. You can add submenus to menu. You can change order of menu by dragging. We will add products by selecting menu. You can add cost price for profit calculations. You can assign a kitchen and printer to product, we will do it later. You can define selection groups if your products have common options in the selection groups menu, such as size selection or coffee extras. Now we will assign the selection group to the product. We can assign multiple selection groups to the product. You can define addable, removable features with different prices for product. You can use the kitchen screen to get orders real-time from the waiter. To do this, you need to define your kitchens and assign them to a product. You can define multiple kitchen screens for each store. Now we will assign kitchen to product. Now, we will add a product for stock tracking. You can enable stock tracking by clicking here. You will receive a notification when the stock level goes below the critical value. You can add your users in the users menu. You can use an email or username for your users. Set a temporary password for the user's first login. You can assign roles and stores to your users. You can change permission of roles and you can define your own roles. The first column is read permission. If you do not have read permission for sales, you will not be able to see sales. Second column is add and update permission, and last one is delete permission. You can reduce the permission of your managers if you want. Fast sales. Add products to the order by selecting products. Added products will be added to the left list. To complete an order, go to Payment section. Select the payment type that you will receive. Complete button will appear once order is paid in full. We will add a product with selections. If the selection type is single, it will be disabled after being selected. If the selection type is multiple, we can add multiple times. If product out of stock, you cannot add it, you have to add stock. Now we will add stock to the product. You can add products or services that are not included in the menu. You can receive partial payments by selecting products. Selected products will be displayed in green, which means they are paid. You can hide paid products to find unpaid products more easily. You can select payment amount using the keypad. The remaining total is 19 now. You can cancel the entire order by clicking Edit and Cancel. You will see canceled orders in the sales report with order details. You can delete a product from the order. In the sales report, you will see the quantity of the deleted product in this column, and the details about deleted products. In the dashboard, you can see various statistics about today. The first one is the Product Profit Performance Report. You can see which product makes more profit in sales quantity. Second is the distribution of payment types. Third is the Store Profit Performance Report if you have multiple stores. And the last one is the User Performance Report. Here you can see total sales, profit and costs amount. Open, completed and cancelled order numbers, total and deleted product quantities for today. We have a time-based chart where we can see sales totals for each hour. The sales report is identical to the dashboard, but here we can select a date range. And we can see the whole sales list between selected range. For details, you can click on the order. Now we will see how the kitchen screen works. Click on the kitchen you want to track in the menu. It will connect to our server to get orders in real time. Take an order. Once order is received, it will be sent directly to the kitchen. You can mark as preparing or done for each product or entire order. Once the order is marked as done, it will disappear from the kitchen screen. Here, we see 2 kitchens receiving orders from one order. Barcode Sales. Now, we will show you how to use Barcode Sales. You should enable the auto-enter feature of your scanner to properly use Barcode Sales. To add barcodes, go to the Barcode Products menu and click Add New. Scan the barcode when the barcode field is selected. We have a barcode product names database. If the barcode is found in our database, the name field will be filled in automatically. You can add a cost price for profit calculations. If you want to track stock changes, define initial stock and critical stock. If you want to add another barcode, click Save and add another. Scan another barcode. You can search by barcode or product name. Scan the barcode. This time the barcode cannot be found in our database, so you should define the product name. The barcode details will appear if a barcode search can be found. Now we will perform a barcode sale. Scan the barcode. Barcode product will be added to the left list. If scanned barcode cannot be found, you can add the barcode product without leaving the sale screen. The barcode will be saved and added to the order. You can set the quantity of the product by keypad before scanning. As shown, you can enter the barcode using the keypad. Also, you can enter barcodes with your keyboard. When the barcode is finished, press Enter. Let's complete the order. All other features, like canceling orders, deleting products, and payments, are the same as in the fast sale. You can use live support to get help. Or you can send an email to support@possian.com. To go to the Help Center, click on the question icon in the top menu and then click on Help Center. Help articles can be found here. Possian.com. Thanks for watching.